In other stories, the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists Nigeria chapter has called for the expansion of consultant pharmacist clinical roles as part of efforts to improve patient care, medication safety and healthcare outcomes across the country. The call was made during a press conference ahead of the college's 8th Scientific Conference and Annual General Meeting scheduled to hold from July 12 to 14 at the Pharmacists Council of Nigeria Auditorium in Yaba, Lagos. Addressing journalists, the chairperson of the Nigeria chapter, Dr. Afusat Adesina, said the conference themed expanding consultant pharmacist clinical roles in Nigeria to optimize patient care and medication safety will bring together more than 200 consultant pharmacists, healthcare professionals, academics, regulators, policymakers to examine emerging issues shaping pharmacy practice.
Conference is looking at the clinical roles of the consultant pharmacist to optimize patient care and medication safety. You can agree with me that the issue of medication safety is very, very important to the populace of Nigerians, because a lot of medication are taken and a lot of danger are inherent in it that the populace, the Nigerian, must know. We must know the importance of what we are taking as medicines. You don't self-medicate. You must have a prescription, and you must have a consultant pharmacist to explain to you what this does to your body, what your body does to the drug. So this is very, very apt at this time, and we expect the population, the Nigerian populace, to benefit from this, because awareness is key. When you are very, very aware of something, you don't do it. So when you see somebody mixing up all sorts of concoction to take, that is not pharmacy practice. And a pharmacist, a registered pharmacist, will not go out of the way to go and begin to sell these things to them. So I'm also calling on Nigerians to make sure that they don't go to where it is not, where there are no registered pharmacists, to bring out to get their medication. And I'm also calling on Nigerians to desist, and we should all be aware that when you mix A and B together, you don't know what reaction it will take. And then the reaction gets to get the person off balance. So we are all supposed to be in this together.
While commending the Federal Ministry of Health for implementing the consultant pharmacist cadre and acknowledging states such as Niger, Osun, Adamawa and Katsina for adopting the policy, Dr. Adesina urged federal health institutions and state governments yet to implement the cadre to do so.
You will agree with me that a lot of antimicrobial stewardship issues are still very prominent in Nigeria, and we want pharmacists to take the lead in ensuring that there is good stewardship in the use of antimicrobials. At the end of today, the last session will be the interactive session, more of like town hall meeting with fellows and the Association of Consultant Pharmacists of Nigeria. That session will be like a peer review interaction where consultants that have been so appointed from facilities that have, and they will be launching of our rebranded chapter newsletter in that session. Thereafter, we'll go into the panel discussion. 2 panel discussions are scheduled with the relevance of themes on improving local manufacturing of medicines and also ensuring patient safety and medication safety. The AGM promises to be very interesting because there are a lot of trends that the chapter needs to take account of and positions taken by the almighty AGM.
Its main objective is to support the activities of the college in advancing pharmaceutical care practices, improving skills among our pharmacists, and promoting medication safety and clinical skills among our pharmacists.
The college also disclosed that the conference would examine strategies to strengthen local pharmaceutical manufacturing, enhance medicine security, and improve quality assurance.